Hey, welcome back, my scrapping friends. I am Vanessa, and today I'm going to show you the 12 by 12 interactive pages that I have come up with that go inside a binder. All right. Now, I came up with this because I know a lot of you do not like the hinges. Okay. You know, we make these mini albums here. And if you're not good at making these hinges and, your pages get off and I know a lot of you do not like to do this, okay? So I came up with this idea. And I'm trying to incorporate our mini album world into our 12 by 12 scrapbooking, okay? It's a great way. I do know this album here will hold 500 photos. 500 photos, you guys. Versus we have, let's say 5 of them sitting on a shelf. You'll now have 1 sitting on a shelf. And one of the questions one of the main concerns that people say, well, there's no page protectors. Well, no, there ain't, because it's interactive. Really, it is no different than our albums sitting on a shelf. We all have, any of us album makers, we have these sitting on our shelf. It's no different. So I don't have a problem with it not being inside a page protector, because our albums, most of the time, if they're not in a box, they sit on our shelves like this. So I do not have a problem. I am working on something that will kind of help protect these pages. So I will be releasing that here real soon. But anybody that doesn't like hinges, this is for you, okay? All right. I do have a tutorial that you can purchase if you would like to learn how to make these. If you purchase the tutorial, you will always get updates. You'll get the 12 by 12 binder, the 8.5 by 11 binder. I'm going to be putting these in an album with a box, and then I have a third idea that I will be doing too. So I've been working really hard on getting these out there to you guys, because when I posted my original 12 by 12 pages, I had a lot of good response. So I know there's a lot of you that's interested in this. So go to my website, scrappingitup.com with no G, and grab your tutorial. You will get updated whenever I add something new to it, or I come up with another project with it. But you will always get the updated when I add to it. All right, this is the 12 by 12. I did use the Ancestery collection by Simple Stories, and beautiful paper, guys, beautiful paper. This is the cover photo. I like doing a cover photo for my album. Okay. Now this is page style number 1 here. And I have different variations in here just to kind of show you. And I know this is going to be hard to keep on camera. Okay. But you can do it page style 1, page style 1. You can do a plain page here, and I will show you that later on. You can do pockets in here to hold photo mats. But these things are just full of flips, flaps, tucks. Yeah, just about anything. And I'll just quickly, and you have a pocket here, and it flips. It's really beautiful, guys. And then we have just a little spot here, okay? So here on this one, you have a plain page over here. Come on, Sid. So you have a plain page over here. And then over here you have a page style. There's 6 page styles in each one. So this one here has 6 page styles. You pick out 4 of them that you like. You can do all 6 of them. It's totally up to you. I wouldn't do no more than 6 pages, okay? Because otherwise it's going to get too bulky on you. So here, you can collage this up as a normal 12 by 12 page. Do whatever you want with it. So over here we have the interactive. So you could put this over here, this over here. You can choose to put a pocket here. Totally up to you. All right. And of course, you know we have a pocket here, little pull-outs. Okay. Of course, we've got all kinds of flips and flaps. Okay. And again, we have the plain here. You can put your pocket here, leave it plain, put your, collage it up like we do our normal 12 by 12 scrapbooking. I know this is so hard to keep on camera. I'm sorry. So here's page style 3, and this one is corrected in the cutting guide because we can't have this here with this ring binder. Okay, so it is correct in the cutting guide. So flips, flaps, we have little belly bands that hold little booklets. I ran out of paper. I ran out of paper, guys. I couldn't even do my little booklets. But yeah. And then that just tucks underneath there to keep everything nice and tidy. Okay. So then we have, here's another page style. Okay. And it's got, this one here has a waterfall in it. So it has this here as a waterfall feature. Okay. Great way to display your pictures. And a waterfall feature over here, just a little bit different. Okay. But you can set this up any way that you want to. Like I said, you could put a pocket here. You could collage this. This page can go over here. Totally versatile, guys. For anyone that doesn't like to do those hinges with the albums, here's your alternative. All right. Now, I come up with this idea, oh my gosh, it's been at least 2 years ago, and I'm just now getting it out there to you guys. We're going to have the binder style, we're going to have the album style, and then another way that I will be doing this, okay? And then there's a belly band with a nice big booklet in there. And then these just go back underneath the belly band. Keep everything nice and tidy. You can use magnets, totally up to you. Okay, so here's another page style. And it's full of flaps. And see, a nice big area to collage. Okay. And then I just made some booklets to go inside this pocket. But yeah, very nice way. And I ran out of paper, guys. So here you could put, a page style that you really like. You could do a pocket, just a 12 by 12 page to just collage up, okay? But yeah, you can purchase a tutorial if you would like to learn how to make these. You will always get the updated if I add anything new, because I will be telling you, this is what I'm focusing on about the first half of the year. And probably the third quarter of the year will be the third project that, the third way of storing everything. And it will have a box. I don't have a box for the binder, but I will the album. And then I will for the third project have a box, okay? But yeah, you can set these up any way that you like. But, let me know what you guys think about this idea. I'd really like to know what you think about it. It's kind of a marriage of our album making world and the 12 by 12 scrapbook world, okay? Trying to make it easier for you guys to preserve your memories, okay? That's what this is all about. So that, future generations can, see what we did. I hope you guys like this idea. Let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button to my channel if you like this and my other things that I have. So that's all I have for you guys for right now. So as always, keep scrapping, and we'll be talking later. Bye-bye.